Hello viewers, I am Orko Prabhu and you are watching Next Tech. So today in this video I am gonna unbox this Samsung Galaxy M51 smartphone. So without further delay, let's get straight into the unboxing. Subscribe our channel Next Tech for more quality tech videos and press the bell icon and press all to get notified every time I upload a new video. Here is the box packaging of Samsung Galaxy M51 smartphone. It's in white color. On the side it's written the model number of the smartphone, and on the top here are some things mentioned like the color is electric blue and it's a 6GB and 128GB model, and here the price is mentioned over there like rupees 28,999. Now let me cut the seal and now I'm opening the box. So after opening the box, at first we get a flap compartment with SIM ejector tool, and inside the flap compartment let's see what do we get. So we get some documentation over there like quick start guide, regional log guide and warranty card, and surprisingly there is no TPU case included in the box packaging. And this is the smartphone itself. Let's get this aside and let's see what else do we get inside the box. So we get a charger that is rated as 25 watt, and it is obviously a first charger, and it has a USB-C port, so that's very good. And this also includes a USB Type-C to Type-C cable inside the box for charging and data transfer. Now let me unwrap the smartphone and remove the plastic and the stickers from this phone, and now let me give you the physical overview of the smartphone. So here is the display. You can see here is the selfie camera, and on the right side you do get the volume rockers and fingerprint scanner with the power button. And on the downside, here coming to the downside, now you get the speaker grill and microphone, USB-C charging port and the 3.5mm audio jack. And now coming on the left side, you get the SIM tray with the SIM ejector tool port, and here is on the upper side there is a secondary noise cancellation microphone, and on the back side you do get some cameras, and it's a plastic bag. Here is the Samsung logo branding, and here is the camera segment. It has 4 cameras with a LED flash. Now let me boot the smartphone and set it up for the first time ever while you guys will go through the quick specifications. So this is the first look of the smartphone after first boot. Here is the quick toggle menu, you can see, and here is the quick toggle menu. It has all the functions over there. It does also have the Dolby Atmos feature, and here you can see the app drawer. There is the app drawer, and it does also have some bloatwares like Snapchat, Samsung Max, Samsung Global Goals, Amazon Daily Hint, like that. Now let us look at the software information of the Samsung Galaxy M51 smartphone. So now let me go to the about phone and software information. So it's running on Android version 10 and One UI Core version 2.1. Now let's talk about the display section of this Samsung Galaxy M51 smartphone, which is a main highlighting factor of this phone. And it has a 6.7-inch display, which is a Super AMOLED Plus panel with 1080p of resolution. And yes, the display is very good of this Samsung Galaxy M51. It's crisp, clear, and the detailing is so good. Now talking about the performance, so Samsung claims that it has a monster performance. So actually on the specification it has a Qualcomm Snapdragon 730G processor, which is 8nm based, and it has Android 618 GPU, so it should have decent performance because it has quite good GPU and CPU. Now let's talk about the battery. So it has a monstrous battery. As you can see, it has a 7000 mAh battery, but despite having that big battery, the weight management is good on this one. It has 212 gram of weight, which is decent despite having that big battery. So this phone comes with 128GB of storage, and as you can see 22GB is occupied by the system apps out of the box, so it will give you an idea that how much storage you will get out of the box from this M51. Now let's talk about the camera. So it has a quad camera setup on the back, which is a 64 megapixel main camera, 12 megapixel of the ultra wide, 5 megapixel macro and 5 megapixel depth with a LED flash. And the front, it has a 32 megapixel single front camera. So on the modes, you can see it has a photo, video, more mode, while you will get a pro mode and a 64 megapixel mode. Also you will get some macro. Here is a single take option of Samsung, which will take multiple photos on a single take. And let me now click a quick sample. Here you can see the photo quality is good. I have attached multiple camera samples later on the later part of the video, so please go throughout the whole video. And now let me click a quick selfie, and you can see there is a photo, video, more mode also for the selfie, and you will also get the HDR and beauty mode for selfie. Now let me click the quick selfie, and here you can see the selfie. As I've said, I will attach many sample at the later part of the video. Now let's look at the sample. So here are some daylight sample, as you can see, and here is a wide angle ultra wide sample. Here are some close-up sample from the main camera, and now here are some macro camera shots, as you can see. Here is an outdoor human subject sample. Here is an outdoor human subject portrait sample. Here is outdoor selfie sample, and here is outdoor selfie portrait sample. Now coming to some indoor shots. You can see the shots are clear and crisp. And now let me get to the human subject indoor sample, and here is a human subject indoor portrait sample. Here is an indoor selfie, and here is the indoor portrait selfie over there. So this video I am currently recording on Samsung Galaxy M51, and the audio is directly coming from the microphone of Samsung Galaxy M51. Do let me know in the comment section that how is the video quality of this Samsung Galaxy M51. This video that I am recording now is on the Samsung Galaxy M51, and it's coming from the front camera. So it's the front camera sample, front camera video sample of Samsung Galaxy M51, and the audio you are listening now is directly coming from the microphone of Samsung Galaxy M51. So do let me know in the comment section that how is the front camera sample. So this phone has a side mounted fingerprint scanner on the power button, and the fingerprint scanner is quite good. It does take a 0.5 second of time, and in the price range the fingerprint scanner is quite well placed and very fast. The M51 smartphone also has a face unlocking feature, and that is also very fast. So that's it for today, guys, and do let me know in the comment section what do you think about this Samsung Galaxy M51 smartphone. And hope you like the video. Then press the like button and share this video as much as possible, because I need your support as a new YouTuber. And press the bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. Subscribe our channel Next Tech for more quality and interesting tech video. So stay tuned. We will meet soon in the next video. Bye bye.